Hey there, dear listeners of Takeaway Chinese. What you're checking out right now is a special edition just for you. More Than Mandarin. This is where we break down the finer details of frequently used words so you know the ins and outs of them. Let's take a listen.
The word we're learning today is 传统, which means tradition. 传 means to pass down, representing the act of passing on knowledge, customs, and values from one generation to the next. 统 means together or to unify. It signifies the collective nature of traditions. Put together, the word represents the accumulated wisdom, customs, and values that have been passed down through generations. For example, 传统文化, traditional culture. 传统乐器, traditional musical instrument. 传统美食, traditional food. Chinese culture has rich traditions that have been cherished for thousands of years. Besides these traditional cultural elements that are more perceivable, I will list more hidden gems. Traditional thoughts, 传统思想. 仁, benevolence. 和平, peace. 诚信, integrity. 孝, filial piety. 自由, freedom. 和谐, harmony. These are just a few examples of the many traditional thoughts that have shaped Chinese culture and values over time. 传统 represents the threads that connect the past, present, and future, ensuring the continuity and preservation of cultural heritage and embodies the distinctive traits of the Chinese nation. 中华优秀传统文化是中华民族的根和魂。The excellent Chinese traditional culture is the root and soul of the Chinese nation. Chinese traditional culture assumes a profound and indispensable role in sculpting the very essence and identity of the Chinese nation. Among the vast array of captivating traditional elements, which one has left an indelible impression on you? Tradition, 传统，你学会了吗？
If you enjoy this extra segment and want to watch the video version, just search for More Than Mandarin on Facebook or YouTube. And don't forget to leave a comment and let us know if you appreciate our new edition. See you next time.